All right, so yet I'm back again for another round of videos. So this is the last packet for the packet, or the last page of the packet that Mrs. Keith gave you yesterday. I've numbered the problems 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna make individual videos that go with just that problem. So if you want to go back and look at them for your homework, you're more than welcome to. Okay, so let's get started on this first problem. So the sum of two numbers is 50. The first number is 2 more than twice the second number. Write and solve in systems of equations to find the two numbers. So the sum of two numbers, this first sentence tells me my first equation. So sum means that I'm adding two numbers. I'm going to call them x and y, and they're going to equal 50. So my first sentence tells me my first equation. The second sentence tells me that the first number is 2 more than twice the second number. It doesn't matter which one is first, but I'm just going to go ahead and call x is my first number. And it is 2 more than twice the second number. So I'm going to call the second number as my y. So looking at my two equations, now I have a system. And the system means that I have to substitute in the 2 plus 2y in it for the x. So I'm going to replace it with 2 plus 2y plus y equals 50. So I have my x representation here, and then I have my y. So now I can combine like terms and get 2 plus 3y equals 50. If I go ahead and solve for y, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, leaving 3y equals 48. And if I divide by 3, that tells me that y is going to equal 16. So now I can plug my 16 back into my original equation for y. So I would have x plus 16 equals 50. To get x by itself, I'm going to subtract 16. So x would equal 34. So my two numbers would be 34 and 16. Since this doesn't really talk about a graph or equations, we don't have to write it as a coordinate pair. We just have to identify the two different numbers.